Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi A3 Sportback S-Line S-tronic finished in the modern Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 30 TFSI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic front and rear indicators for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A3 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip away. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display and S-embossed front full leather sport seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the interior and exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for off-roading or simply for preferred driving style. This is alongside the central console that features the S-tronic gear shifter, central cup holders, a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment, and a wireless charging pad with 2 additional USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.